see organics, we'll see amino acids, the building blocks of life, as well as evidence for past water on Bennu, because all of these things are the sorts of materials that asteroids and comets delivered to the Earth when it was forming and helped life to be able to flourish.
And scientists estimate the capsule holds at least a cup of rubble from the carbon-rich asteroid, but they won't be certain until the container is opened in a day or two. Well, Robert, we could really use some rain, and there's a chance that we might see some this week.
A little bit. Not the greatest chance. Best chance is likely going to be Wednesday. And I mean, we just need a little bit, but chances are, I mean, they're there at least. Better than what we've had the last week or so. Yeah, bit of a different scene this week. Bit of a different scene tonight in Xenia. You can see some quiet streets out there. There you go. And what I mean by a different scene out there is because I was actually in Xenia last night. Happened to be driving through. Saw like 9 cop cars at a bar. Somebody got in trouble. There was a lot of police presence there. Just a sleepy, quiet night here in Xenia with a lone car just driving peacefully down the street. We got some peaceful skies, a little cloudy, but no rain, no lightning, no thunder. It's a little bit milder than it has been. I mean, it's still 66 degrees right now in Dayton. Looking at some mostly cloudy skies. Winds are out of the northeast about 5 miles per hour. And yeah, it's a little bit more humid than it has been. So when you add the humidity and you add the cloud cover, it's going to be harder for that temperature to drop. We're likely going to get into the 50s tonight, but just very briefly. And it'll probably be when you wake up in the morning. Now, as far as rain is concerned, we typically see about 2.57 inches by the end of by this time of the month, I should say. So far, we've only observed 0.27, so it's a difference of over 2 inches. In fact, it's almost near 2 1/3 inch. Now, that being said, if you compare this September so far to all the other Septembers on record, we're tied for the driest right now, going back to, or at least the driest is 1963, and that's what we're tied for. So if we don't see any more rain through Saturday, this will tie for the driest on record. See, in climatology, you can go a little bit farther past 1935, and the data isn't the most reliable. In climate research, you tend to use airport data, which is more reliable, more regular, and so using that data, we are looking at a very dry September. All we need is 1/100th of an inch, and there's a very good chance we could get it. Not today, not so much tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, but the best chance is Wednesday. We'll show you. But right now, we're looking at some pretty quiet conditions across the state. There's what's left of Ophelia again out there. And then you can see some severe thunderstorm watches across much of Texas, a couple thunderstorms flaring up. No more heat advisories down that way, though. Now, we do have some cloud cover with us overnight. It'll probably be mostly cloudy at times throughout the night. And then even moving into Monday, you'll see some partly cloudy skies, but still looking at some of that cloud cover. And I know you see some green popping up here, but I'm not too concerned about the chance for rain tomorrow. Tuesday, we are looking at a little bit better chance, especially in the evening. And you see these waves of green coming in. So I don't think we're going to have the driest September on record. I think there's a good chance for some showers, especially on Wednesday, but at least throughout the middle of the week. 59 degrees for the low tonight. Again, slightly milder. There's a chance for a stray shower Tuesday, a better chance for rain Wednesday, like I've been saying, and then a stray shower on Thursday as well. That's our window for rain. And then as we end the month of September by Saturday, we'll be in the upper 70s. Temperatures really throughout the next 7 days are fairly seasonable for this time of year. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s, so it feels like fall here in Dayton.
Well, it's already week 7 of the Goodwill Drive to Victory. News Center 7's Mike Hartsock introduces us to the 2 teams facing off to bring home a big check.
Who's their sexy